Hey, my name is Mike. I'm the founder of WebChange Detector, and in this video today, I want to show you how to check your websites visually after installing updates or making some style changes. With our manual checks, you can make sure everything looks the way it should, and you don't have unwanted changes which you might not be aware of, for example, on some subpages. So let's dive into this. So after logging into your account, just go to manual checks, and there you have a list of all the WordPress websites which you already added. So we will add a new WordPress website. Just enter the domain up here and click check WordPress websites. Now we will see all the available post types on this website. When you have, for example, an online shop, you will see products and the categories, the product categories as well. But for now, we will just use the post pages and categories. Down here, we have a threshold where you can set, for example, 0.1%. If you say, okay, everything below 0.1% of a difference won't be recognized as a difference. So we will set 0.1% for now and click Save. And now all the URLs will be synchronized into WebChange Detector. So we have this new website here now, and here we can select all the pages we want to check during the update process. So for now, we will only check the desktop on the homepage, and then we can start the manual checks. So the first step will be to take the pre-update screenshots. So we click the button, and what WebChange Detector does now is it takes the screenshot of the web page. It might take a few seconds because it's also scrolling down and up to trigger all the lazy load images, for example, and trigger a few more things, which improve the quality of the screenshot. So once we are done with the pre-update screenshots, we can see now it's time for updates. So I will change just the color to show you how the change detection will look like. So we had the color red for this headline, so we change it to white and hit the save button. So now we have this little change, and we will see what WebChange Detector will do. So we go back to the manual checks, we click the next button, and we create the change detections. So now same thing like with the pre-update screenshots will be happening. The screenshots are taken and compared to the pre-update screenshots. So as soon as this is done, we can see all the changes during the updates. And if something broke, you will see it and you can immediately fix it. So we are done already. So let's check the change detection. And we can see we have a difference of 0.36%. So now let's check the change detection. And we can see, okay, we changed the color from red to white. So on the left side, you can see the before and after screenshot. And with the slider, you can compare the two versions. And on the right side, you have a change detection image with all the highlighted changes. So it makes it easier to see what really changed on the website. Now let's say we fix those things. So we go to the WordPress website again. We change the color back, hit the save button. So we made everything like it was before. And now I can click the check URLs again to verify all my changes worked, and the new version of the website looks like in the pre-update screenshots. So this way you can fix things and check again if now after your fixes everything looks the same again. So we wait until the screenshots are done. Depending on the amount of URLs, this might take a few minutes, but we have a good scaling, so we can take several screenshots at the same time. So it's not just one after the other. So now let's check the change detection again. And now it says, okay, it's all good. No changes were detected. Perfect, so the updates went well. I hope you liked this video and you got an idea what you can do with WebChange Detector. If you have any questions, please send us a message. We are happy to help. And if you didn't sign up yet, we have a 30-day trial where you can test WebChange Detector for free.